This cookie was comped at work, so it was pretty good. I saved it for this moment, so that's cool. Don't worry. So, today is the 9th. I don't know. Tomorrow was my last day at work at Lenny's. The 20th and 30th had my 2 weeks from the 6th at HEB. 13th, or the 12th, I'm going to recruiters to be sent to the place to be going to Fort Sill for my basic training. I mean, carbs for my runs, whatever, I guess. But that's 13th. Can't wait. Bunch of mumble. Welcome back, Kuma here. I know, 94% of people who watch my videos don't subscribe. Please subscribe, it helps me a lot. I can't even live stream without 1,000 subscribers. Why? I don't go. So can't do my live sleeps. And recording it really messes up. It was pretty good. I saved it from yesterday. I had a French dip that I made with au jus sauce. It was a little comped because I came on my day off. 2 more days. That was pretty cool. I had my day off yesterday, which was I came in, and then the day after my last day, I have my day off. So okay, that's cool. More hours. I don't need this with one extra little snack. They're pretty good. I never really had them before. Lemmy subs. So, shift leader. I started November 29th, which was a Friday, so in that Monday I started. And then a month later I became a shift leader. And now it's May. I'm safe for an hour so far. Kuma Pause 376 signing out to meet again. I'll probably post something before I go because you can't bring your phone. It'll be locked away, so you can't really be on there at all. So a big hiatus, a time skip from anime, which One Piece every week, manga. I do like Toriko though. It's all finished and ready to go. Yu Yu Hakusho for anime, Dragon Ball Z for anime. So in that order, first and second place. Talk about the stuff. Pokemon. My imager is Doddering Commanded 97. It's on my About page. My Reddit is Kuma Pause 376, but with underscore Kuma underscore Pause underscore 376. Because Amber Stardust Phoenix, my posts are still up there, just like Imager, but banned. So okay, fine. Over 200,000 upvotes, karma. So almost there now with 38K, well 39K ish for my co-boss Reddit. So that's cool. A 2-mile run every day is always fun. This is the Munch and Mumble, so it's like, oh, okay. Maps is fun. Because the 4th, I posted on my channel, the 4th when I gave the oath to office for the Army, the 4th of April. And then a delayed entry because it's 14 Hotel, which is my MOS. And it's such a random video, I know, no one's going to see it anyways. 411 subscribers, like what's the, I know, but it's, I always say this by myself so perfectly, it's air defense enhanced early warning system operator. I always say that by myself like this so quick. I am Iron Man. Oh, I love that. Kind of like the first Avengers, he gave himself up. Look at the, and then the snap. Man, that's cool. Like I said, I was gonna see this. I've been here for like an hour or so. My one time I can be like this. So please subscribe and everything helps a lot. Comment, whatever. Other channels, Gemmo 2000, Redix Rain, who did those Gex playthroughs, all Serious, Kako Demon, all those guys. I look through all those old comments and discussion on the channel, and it's like they have like an old car, looking like all this shit, like it's an old timey YouTube stuff, you know, old timey YouTube Let's Players. Man, if I had a good computer, or if I had enough time to play Banjo-Kazooie, Ocarina of Time, Conker's Bad Freddy, which the playthroughs on my channel from Twitch, you know, up to a certain point, you know, I would play the first of each level, and then every Saturday come back, or every day do it, you know, freaking amazing, freaking amazing. Teching. Report of the week, Vinny, Fine Sauce. Full Sauce is my favorite one. There's some good, my channels I have on there. Serial Time, Defunct Land, with that Defunct TV music. Saber Spark, he grew so far, you know. AVGN, so many good YouTubers, you know. But the first three, it's like I always watch. So, damn. Like the Reddits I'm on there is pretty badass. I think if you follow my posts on there, you'll see all my Imager things I just posted. They're all banned except for Doddering Command at 97, which is Amber Stars Phoenix, Coalboss 376, Brisbane Horror Gal, just posting the damn good thing, Curry thing. Of course, there's Apostrophe 1217, my birthday. The Magnet Line, which was a fun one. Recent, popped out a bunch of reposts. Plus many more, I think that's basically right. So that's cool. Imager, Reddit, my top two. Pokemon Go, some videos on here. The Yu-Gi-Oh on here, like every 3 months I would post one or something. I evolved my Blaziken, and I'm getting candies for Rhydon. Oh yeah, I do have, let's see, this might be the thumbnail. I love making thumbnails, thumbnail gore. Let's see, Ghastly, and there is Aaron. I start my Pokemon journey with Aaron. Get Ghastly, catch and execute. Wingull. People say Swan is the better water flying dual type. All my Pokemon are dual type. Heat, Rotom. You got hopefully Score Bunny's fire, electric, so I can use that instead. And Lyron from Aaron and Aggron. So every type. Sneasel, Weavile. So every type is done. Ghost. So let's start with Steel Rock, Ghost Poison, Grass Psychic, Dark Ice, Fire Electric, Flying Water. Basically, it's so cool because it's like Dive, Waterfall, Surf, Fly. That's a good moveset too. So all the types are covered except for 6 of them. No Bug, no Normal, no Fighting, no Dragon, no Fairy. So that's the only one. I think there's one more. That's all like 6 out of 18 are not used. It's like, ooh, that's cool. Yeah. And then my manga stuff, I already have it, all my notes back from my thing. So it's like the Shichibukai, but it's also the 7s to get ascent ability, all that stuff. Like, okay, here's a basic rundown of the humans. There's werebeings. Okay, that's all. They can do Kokai, which is soul energy constructs, like Green Lantern, but that's how they transform and stuff. Much more than just what I'm saying now. I have a whole book full of shit. Taikiri is a regular human that can be superpowers with their soul energy. So, and then like a Quincy with the werebeing. Oh my God, I love Quincy. That's such a cool power. Like they're genocide, just like the Saiyans, just like the Uchiha. They're all genocides, like Ishbal from Full Metal. So, all genocides. But gnomes are 12 inches tall, like a ruler size, but the same proportions that a human would be. And then a fairy is like 3 inches, same proportions, but they have wings, and they're like intangible wings, like a Loja. Yeah, so they can never like die. But a giant is what we are if we were a gnome to our size, 6 foot, give or take, 12 inches, give or take, like 120 feet. So they have a whole Pangea to themselves, and we have a whole Pangea with all of our other people. So 17 kingdoms and lands. One's on the moon, which is the 17th, and then the rest are on the world. So it's like harpies, reptilian guys who can go up, who can jump as high as possible, go down to the deepest depths. It's like fishermen, basically. Harpy people, centaurs who are masters of the Kokai. So it's all this stuff, many more. But I like to put in my head, like the protagonist, well, at first, E.B. Katarina, this kind of thing. Her left arm is robotic. 10 years ago, she's lost it. Her arm got cut off by an end beast, which is each inland has a colossal beast that's immortal, cannot leave their space except for her pet, Kobohion. So that's the only exception. She got her arm cut off, and then that's 10 years ago. And then 5 years ago, or 5 years from that moment, the same thing, she gets that gnome technology arm that's basically Go-Go Gadget. That's kind of like a fanfiction at a time where Penny became the gadget. But blonde hair, but she brunette back in the day, and then she has a sword. So 5 years she trained with a sword, with basically, with your right hand you can draw your samurai sword as well as a revolver. So, and then it's like Katakuri versus Luffy Snake Man, how Luffy's arms was basically like raining down, and Katakuri was going through the arms like that. Kind of like how that would be versus, like, if you look on my channel, Chief, Mr. Chiefers, Odin, Husky, he would basically be like the anthropomorphic werebeast. And there's no humans, so there's basically just a hybrid and the full animal form. He's going badass and everything. And then they become friends eventually, but it's like fighting against them using Quincy arrows, and like you can make like a Senbon or arrow, for instance, bow and arrow. Whatever you shoot, your soul energy hits something, it hits, so you can throw your sword at somebody and impales them to the wall, and then it disappears and it goes back to you, or something less. A were-Kirin, which sounds like a demon in Japanese, but it's actually a giraffe revealed. Michio Kaku would be like, okay, Michio Kaku for the physicist, and also Kaku from One Piece would be like a whole like thing there. And then it's like, they can take the pain and fatigue from somebody, like acupuncture, and then eat that themselves. So you can have a 12-hour shift with this person, and that person, you take their energy. They can jump. They're like well rested, and then you eat their pain and fatigue, stress, and then you become well rested, kind of Kuma. So it's a whole thing from there. So it's like, oh, okay, some random thoughts that never comes out of my head. That's in a big book of my ideas for a manga mostly, but I can't draw. So it's like, well, one could do it with Murata for One Punch Man, so maybe, or animate that. So I don't know, munch and mumble. So that'd be kind of cool, I guess. Maybe. Not going to be seen because of how long the video is, and no one looks on my channel anyway, so it's like no one's going to notice. And I'm going to put a crazy thumbnail as well. Probably be the one that I put on a full thumbnail gore. It'd be like Review Bra attacking Matt and Vinny on Kid Law and Luffy's face. Maybe. Some randomness to it, I don't know. Someone got this one the other day. This one's from the other day. Someone got it for me. So it's like, well, it's another one. You know, click off when I'm talking. That's all I need. Work today, tomorrow. Saturday, grab all the things I need. Shipped out. Just for the video, cookies. And I head downstairs to have a coffee. Yeah. I'll do the finale of the Munch Mumble series. I don't know how I'll do another sleep thing. It's kind of old, but saving it for a video. So 2. 2's good. Like 188 body weight. I know. Eating bananas. On my channel, I have so many videos of myself with long hair and stuff. My other channel was taken down a long time ago for One Piece or something. Naruto. Or some kind of manga thing.